Here we have a 2019 plate BMW X5 XDRIVE30D M Sport. Now this vehicle does come with over £5,500 worth of optional extras included. Now we do have 4 superb unscratched unmarked 22-inch alloy wheels in gloss black with the blue M Sport brake calipers just hiding behind. We have the LED headlights, the black front kinner grills, full M Sport styling kit, so you get the black front splitter, side skirt extensions, rear boot spoiler and also a rear diffuser. Now we do have the blacked out styling, so you do get the black accents all around the vehicle, as well as the black roof bars with your black window trim and your privacy glass on the rear. We have your front and rear parking sensors with your rear reversing camera. You have your dual tipped exhaust, flush the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. Power assisted rear tailgate from a touch of a button. Now it is split fold, so you press the button just down here and it will then lock and release it. As you can see, we do have a nice spacious size boot for the size of this vehicle with your luggage load line just up there. You also have the button to fold out the rear tow bar. You also have the storage everywhere as well. Now it's also power assisted back down again, and you can also lower the rear of the car to make it easier to load luggage into the back. And as you can see, power assisted back down again from a touch of a button. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. If I go to the rear, I'll show you bits of the interior. As you can see, we do have the full leather seats throughout this vehicle with your ISO fixed points just down there as well. You have your climate control, ambient lighting just in the rear of your storage panel, passenger and driver's seat. You also have your electric windows just there. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat. Now both driver and passenger are fully heated in electric, and the driver's seat is also memory. You have your electric windows, electric power folded mirrors and your power assisted rear tailgate button. Jumping inside the car, looking just over there, you have your auto lights, foot on the brake, you have keyless start from a touch of a button. You have your multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift if you wish to take the car into manual mode. You do also have your cruise control and speed limiter just there as well. Now we do have the BMW individual trim all over the inside of this vehicle, makes it a very nice environment to be in. Matched with the ambient lighting is a very nice environment to be in. You have your dual zone climate control just here with your 2 heated front seats which work exactly how you would expect them to. We have your digital dash just here as well. As you can see, this vehicle has done just over 37,380 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We have your big satellite navigation screen in the centre, which is also touchscreen from a touch of a button. You also have your gesture controls as well there as well. So if you turn the radio up and down, it gives you the signal to do. Now this is your home page where you can find all your applications. You can also have your media connectivity there as well. So you do have, if I go into media, you have your radio, you also have Spotify music collection, Bluetooth audio. You also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto built into this vehicle. So if I go into home and onto apps, you can see Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Installed apps, you do have all these other applications just here as well. You have your Amazon Alexa, you also have your lap timer, nice addition to have. Now I'll pop the car into reverse. You can see we do have the rear reversing camera, as you can see just there. You can also change the brightness and all other settings there as well. You have your tow hitch, your parking sensors just there as well, as you do have front and rear parking sensors. Now you do get different drive modes, so you do get Sport, so if I just come off this screen, you do get Sport with individual. You also have Comfort, Eco Pro and also Adaptive. We have the air suspension settings just here as well, so I'm going to put it at its lowest. You can also raise it for the extra bit of ground clearance. You have your intelligent safety there as well, so you have your all on, individual, all off. You can configure the individual to suit your driver preferences. You can also pull down and have all other settings there as well. Pop this open, you do have your wireless charging storage, your 2 nice size cup holders, USB port and 12 volt connectivity. All the information and buttons you have here as well, so you've got your air suspension setting. Use this if you don't want to use the touch screen on the screen. Your gear stick, traction control on and off, parking sensor, stop start on and off, engine start with your drive modes. You also have electric parking brake with auto hold. Soft touch leather armrest with storage just underneath as well with USB ports. And there's a look at the passenger's front seat. Now, this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes a fresh service, and we do have a competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.
Video test drive of this BMW X5. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how you would expect. Now starting off, we do have both speed limiter and cruise control on the steering wheel just here. To activate the cruise control, I'll simply press the cruise control button, press set, and we're now cruising at our current speed. Very easy to adjust that speed with the plus and minus trigger just there. And then to deactivate, we can simply press cancel or apply pressure to the brakes, and we're back to normal control. We've then got our gear changes, so I'm currently in 7th gear, down to 6th, 5th, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 6th, 5th, 4th, and as we slow down for the roundabout, down into 3rd, and then we can put it back into full auto from there. But as you can tell, through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly as you would expect. Now there is plenty of great tech inside here as well. Of course, we've got this huge infotainment screen which not only looks incredible but is full of great features, things like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone connectivity, DAB radio, the list goes on. It's also incredibly comfortable in here with the full leather interior, electrical adjustments for both front passengers, and of course the electrically adjustable steering wheel. To finish it all off, of course, the seats are heated too. So incredibly comfortable car, perfect for those long distance journeys. Now here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as offering free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 2 years as well. We're a 5-star dealership too. If you look online, we've got over 400 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other car sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online and check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We do really want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now you can find us on social media as well. We are on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and TikTok, so make sure to follow us on any of those platforms to keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in and see what we get up to at RS Car Sales. Now just up ahead, I'm going to be taking a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake, put a vehicle into reverse, and then also drive over a speed bump. So emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. Very sharp on the brakes just there, no problems at all. Straight into reverse, again problem free. Reversing camera and a visual display of all of our sensors there as well. And of course, last test for the car is driving over the speed bump. There we go, completely free from any unwanted knocks or bangs throughout the entire journey, which of course you would be listening out for if you were here with me today. Now this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome should you wish to come and view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed in our video online photos, video walk around, or this video test drive, again feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. Now that is all from me on today's video. I hope you found this useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.